How to delete all messages on Instagram at once. Hey guys, this is Nana from Create Login and Delete, and let's start with our video. To delete all messages at once, first you have to switch to professional mode. So for that, go to your profile and tap on the three line and then go to settings. Choose the account option and at the bottom tap on switch to professional mode, then continue to all of this. You can select any category from here because this is just for a while, and once you do that you can head back and choose creator or business and then tap on continue. You can skip all of these, and once you are done with it, tap on the home screen, then go to the DM section. Now on the top you will see three lines. Just tap on the three lines. Now select all of the messages or the message that you want to delete and tap on the delete option. Now tap delete for confirmation, and simply like that all of the messages will be deleted from your Instagram. And that's a wrap for how to delete messages on Instagram at once. Thank you so much for watching.